Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the world as we know it. Don't get left behind. In this video, I'm breaking down the top AI courses for beginners, giving you the tools to become part of this exciting future. Unlock the potential of AI and land your dream job in this in-demand field. I've researched the best AI courses for beginners, so you can pick the perfect program to jumpstart your career. Let's explore the future of learning AI in 2025. So, why should you even learn AI in 2025? Everywhere you look, AI is powering voice assistants, automating businesses, analyzing huge sets of data, and even driving cars. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a tech enthusiast, learning AI opens doors to top-paying careers and futuristic innovations. But to get started, you definitely need the right course, one that's beginner-friendly, practical, and up-to-date. Let's dive into the best options out there, starting with the best free AI courses. First up, Google AI Learn with Google AI. This free course introduces you to the basics of AI, machine learning, and real-world examples. It's super beginner-friendly, comes with a free certificate, and you can find it at ai.google/education. Next, AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng on Coursera. This is a non-technical course, perfect if you're just starting out. You'll learn how AI works and how it's changing businesses and careers. It's taught by AI legend Andrew Ng, is free to audit, and you'll find it at Coursera.org. Third, Microsoft Learn Introduction to AI. If you like learning by doing, this one's for you. It covers AI concepts, ethics, and hands-on applications using Microsoft tools. There are interactive modules. Great for your resume. Check it out at microsoft.com/learn. Now, let's talk about the best paid AI courses with certification. Udemy's Artificial Intelligence A-Z trademark is perfect if you want to build real AI projects yourself. You'll get step-by-step guidance covering everything from self-driving cars to games, plus lifetime access, and it's usually around $20. Next, Coursera's Machine Learning Specialization by Andrew Ng. This one's more in-depth, ideal for future AI engineers. You'll cover ML algorithms, Python coding, and real projects. There's a professional certificate, and it's $49 a month or free to audit. And for a university-level challenge, check out edX Harvard CS50 AI. You'll learn about search, neural networks, and game AI. You can learn for free and grab a certificate if you like at edx.org. So if you're just starting out, begin with AI for Everyone or Google AI to get the basics. Then try Udemy AI A-Z for hands-on practical projects. And if you're aiming for a serious career, go for Coursera's Specialization or Harvard's CS50 AI. Quick tip, practice with small AI projects, like building a chatbot or a recommendation system. Learning by doing is the fastest way to build your confidence. Ready to start your AI journey? Hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with which course you're choosing. And stay tuned for my next video, Top Free AI Tools for Beginners in 2025, to help you practice what you learn. Learn AI. Build the future. Subscribe now.